Let's continue with the assembly of the crankcase. First of all, replace the sealing rubber O-rings to prevent leakage or, even worse, allowing air to be pulled in by the oil pump. The first O-ring is located in the pipe that carries the oil coming from the blow-by breather system back to the crankcase. The second O-ring is located on the pipe, picking up the oil in the crankcase. Replace the seal gaskets each time the crankcase is disassembled. When assembling the crankcase, pay a particular attention not to pinch the sealing O-ring of the oil pump pickup pipe. Tighten the bolts using a torque wrench and do so in a way as to avoid deformation that can lead to oil leakage. When remounting the oil drain plug, always replace the copper sealing washer.